Yo, what is going on YouTube? It is your boy Zach bringing you guys another trade recap. It is October 1st, start of a new month, and we started off on a loss. We took one trade today. It was a losing trade today. It wasn't the best trade. It wasn't the worst trade. Time just did not align, and we had 10 a.m. news. I should have waited for news because after news, there was this A-plus setup that I missed out on simply because I took a loss pre-news, and yeah, so I missed out on a beautiful trade setup today. It is all good though. Starting the month off on a loss is not the best feeling, but it is okay. We are down this week. We are break even pretty much on the week. We're up $30. Today we lost a total of 235 on 8 accounts, so 235 times 8, about 1900 almost. But this trade setup was there. I did like this trade, and I probably would take this again if it was better in time, if it was a little bit later. But as you guys can see, market open, we pumped up in market open. We inversed every single fair value gap. We created new highs. We put in a market structure shift. So I just expected this to just continue higher out of this 5-minute fair value gap. We came back down, tapped into this 5-minute fair value gap right here. Here's the 5-minute. Mark this up. You guys can see we tapped in the 5-minute right here. Go down to the lower time frame. We swept out these 1-minute lows right here. And then we got a 1-minute inversion to the upside. Got in longs. Terrible fill. I literally filled at the top of this wick. Like literally right. You guys can see where my blue arrow is right here. And then instantly went to drawdown. My stop loss was at these lows here. Stopped out within one candle. Saw no profits. Went right down to stop loss. Very unfortunate, but it is what it is. This was the tap in the 5-minute right here, sweeping out these lows. I just expected this to go higher, but we wanted one more sweep, take out sell side, and then we inversed a 3-minute to the upside, which was a very nice clean entry. Right, if I remove this fair value gap, you guys will be able to see. 3-minute right here, got inversed right here. This could have been a long, where you could have waited for a rebalance to, we rebounced to 1 minute right here. There is a 1-minute fair value gap in here. And then we displaced higher and got a 1-minute inversion right here. This could have been a second entry. So missed out on this A-plus setup simply because we wanted sell side one more time. I did not see that these were equal lows. I'm seeing that literally right now as we speak. These are equal lows. I should have waited for these equal lows to be swept. But overall, I just expected a continuation from here. I did not want us to come all the way back down and sweep out all these lows. I expected that 5-minute to hold. We were just bullish, I felt like. Took out Asia highs, came back down, swept, and then went higher. So, very unfortunate day. It is what it is. We are down on the day, but we are up on the accounts still, and that's all that matters. The accounts are still in a great spot. We're 2,100 on this account. 1750, 1700, whoa, 666, 1,000 on this account, 1,000 on this account, and then these ones are back at like 300 bucks. So we gotta lock in. We gotta have a good ass month. Starting the month off red does not feel the best, especially when there was an A-plus setup right after that literally ran hella. We could have held this all the way to all-time highs, and it would have been a banger trade. We just bull runned all day, and the one entry that I get in for longs gets cooked, and then bam, beautiful long position. Wow. But that's going to be it for this trade recap. Make sure you like and subscribe. Use code Zach on Apex, and I will see you guys tomorrow if I take a trade. Peace out, y'all.